Knows credit. The game ain't dead. Numbers in the green. Stay ahead. Stack it up, don't break the thread. Gregg knows credit. That's what he said. APL lurking, a shark in the deep.
All right, welcome to Gregg Knows Credit. Check. So this is what I want to do real fast. All right, like, comment, subscribe to this channel. So what I want to do right now is give you a real quick tip on how to navigate through your credit, where you can actually clean up your personal information, but at the same time as you're cleaning up your personal information, you know exactly what accounts is connected to what addresses and different things like that. I'm going to show you how to do this because this is one of the main things that will keep things on your credit. Okay, having the address connected. All right, so let me show you how to do this. All right, so first place you want to go is you want to go to Experian.com, NANCAC online/dispute. Now what you want to do is you want to put your name. I'm going to put all my information in, but you want to put your name, your address and all of that, your social security, your birthday, then your email, and then confirm it. Now what's going to happen next is it's going to ask you some personal questions that only you know, right? Only you would know the answer to these questions. And then you're going to come to a page that looks something like this, right? And so what happens is, so what you're going to see here, you're going to see these addresses, right? And the address identifier is these numbers right here, right? So what you're going to see is, this is where your address identifier is. So what you're going to find is that on all your accounts, you're going to notice that each account has an address identifier, right? So each one that I open up, you'll see the address identifier. And this when you go to your personal information, you'll see this address identifier connected, or next to the address that this number goes to. So you'll know, oh, this account, I opened this account with this address. And you can do that with each one. I opened this account with this address, right? I can go down the line. I open this account with this address, right? So, and you could just keep doing that. And these are accounts. So say if you had a bad account. So if you had a bad account and it's saying like collection, or whatever the case, whatever. Well, you find out this address identifier, you go to your personal information and you connect it to and you see this. Don't dispute this account because they're going to connect it to that address. You want to remove that address from your credit first. Once that is removed, then you go after this account because they don't have an address identifier. Okay. So with that being said, it's your boy Gregg Knows Credit, and I'll see you in the next video. It's just a real quick tip. Peace.
Swipe the card and sang him metallic choir. Gregg knows credit, building empire, digits dance, accounts on fire, cash flow flipping like a gymnast high, late nights, glow of the screen, FICO climbing, chasing the dream, interest rates, they scheme and gleam, bankers plotting, sipping caffeine. Gregg knows credit, the game ain't dead, numbers in the green, stay ahead, stack it up, stack it